EcoFlow has finally fixed the fan issue with their River PowerStation. The problem was the fan would turn on immediately once you turn the AC power on, or by simply charging it. This was a very annoying issue because most of the time it was unnecessary, but I'm here to show you how to solve it. Thankfully, EcoFlow power stations have the ability to update their software over time via their app, which currently no one else offers this capability. Under Settings, next to Firmware, click Updates. You should have a message pop up that looks like this. Go ahead and click Upgrade and let it install properly. Then double check that it was installed correctly by clicking Updates again. You should get a message that says firmware is up to date. Click on Version and it should show you the new version you just installed. Now, after the update, I have the power station plugged into the wall and no longer is the fan running while charging. This is fantastic and helps reduce the overall noise when using the unit. Thumbs up to EcoFlow for making software updates a possibility. I hope this video is helpful. Thanks for watching and have a good one.